Let's bring in our guest to discuss. We have National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar, who's been listening to all of these details. This is a RICO case. Michael Jaafar, sex trafficking, prostitution is what Sean Diddy Combs is accused of. How do you think it's going with Cassie on the stand?
I think, you know what, this is kind of like a Rorschach test. With her on the stand, I'm conflicted. When she began her testimony, I thought to myself, this is not going good for Sean Combs. And then, with the text messages, it's kind of like standing on a swaying ship left and right. If you pause it at any given moment, you ask me, what's the direction? I'll tell you what the direction is at that time, but it shifts. At the end of the day, what I see is what I would expect, what I would imagine what the relationship would be, with the dynamic of a complete superstar, a person who was an aspiring superstar, and he was essentially had all the leverage. So I think it's trending against Sean Combs. What all they have to do is, they don't have the burden. The burden is on the federal government. So at this point, the text messages are sometimes they're bad for Sean Combs, sometimes they're good for Sean Combs. When we went to law school, we thought we were going to sit there and learn about laws, right? And we were going to open up a book and read elements. That wasn't the case. What we learned about was meaning of words, what words mean and how words are twisted.